Are you for the whether you're wiping spills, drying dishes, or adding a touch of charm to your kitchen? A reliable set of kitchen towels is essential. With the growing demand for sustainable, high-quality kitchen linens, it's no surprise that cotton kitchen towels have become household staples. In this guide, we evaluate the best kitchen towels based on absorbency. This number Maison de Hermine kitchen towels, set of 3. 100% cotton, stylish and reusable. If you're looking to add a dash of elegance to your kitchen, the Maison de Hermine kitchen towels are an ideal choice. This set of 3 towels features beautifully printed patterns inspired by European art, making them more than just functional. They're decorative too. Made from 100% cotton, they offer a soft yet absorbent texture that's perfect for drying dishes or hands. Measuring 27.5 by 20, these towels are generously sized and machine washable for everyday use. While not as thick as some utility towels, they make up for it with design appeal and versatility. Ideal for light-duty kitchen tasks, these are perfect for the list. 2. Super absorbent kitchen towels, 12-pack. 100% cotton, thick and durable. For households that need serious absorbency and durability, this 12-pack of super absorbent kitchen towels is a top value pick. Made from 100% ring-spun cotton and boasting a thick 450 grams per square meter. These towels are designed to tackle spills, dry dishes, and handle daily messes with ease. Their high absorbency and quick-dry nature make them ideal for busy kitchens. Despite their thickness, they're easy to wash and maintain, holding up well after multiple laundry cycles without fraying. These are more utilitarian in design, offered mostly in classic white, but the performance speaks volumes. If you want bulk and quality without breaking the bank, this pack list number premium kitchen towels, 20 inches 28, 6-pack, cotton flat and terry dishcloths combo. This 6-pack of premium kitchen towels combines style, performance, and versatility. Featuring a mix of flat weave and terry cloth textures, these towels are great for tackling different types of kitchen chores. Flat weaves for lint-free glass drying, and terry for soaking up messes. Each towel measures a generous 20 inches 28, giving you ample surface area to work with. Made from premium quality cotton, they're soft yet resilient, and machine washable without losing their absorbency or color. The dual fabric design sets this set apart, offering flexibility and functional diversity in one pack. Whether you're prepping meals, cleaning countertops, or drying hands, list 4 premium kitchen towels, 16 by 26, 6-pack, popcorn striped cotton towels. Add a pop of texture and color to your kitchen with this 6-pack of popcorn striped kitchen towels. These towels are crafted from 100% cotton and feature a distinctive popcorn weave that not only enhances absorbency, but also adds a tactile charm. Measuring 16 by 26, they're slightly smaller than others on the list, but still highly functional. Their striped design fits both modern and farmhouse-style kitchens, and the looped texture makes them particularly effective for scrubbing or wiping surfaces. These towels are machine washable and retain their softness and color